If you're trying to grow on TikTok, you know speed matters. New trends come and go in days, and missing them means missing views. But the problem is making content quickly is hard when you're stuck writing scripts, recording, or editing. Short-based AI makes the whole process faster. Just give it a topic like 3 workout tips or history facts. The AI instantly creates a script, records a realistic voice, adds captions, and pairs it with engaging visuals. You end up with a professional TikTok video in minutes. When you can post more often, you have a higher chance of hitting the algorithm and going viral. More videos mean more reach, more followers, and more growth. If you want to grow on TikTok account faster, check out Shortlist AI using my link in the description and start today.